Hi guys, just Safi here. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and join the MVP family. Today's video is a wash and go video. I am going to be using mousse in my hair. I typically don't use mousse for my wash and goes. I am a gel girl. That's my styler of choice. But I'm going to use mousse today. I just came out of a protector style. I had my hair in 2 braids that ended up in a bun in the back. And it's been a little over a week since I've washed my hair. So I already did the wash process. I washed my hair with shampoo and then I went in and deep conditioned. I used the Aunt Jackie's Fix My Hair Intensive Repair Conditioning Mask, and I added a little bit of, Jamaican black castor oil to my hair. I massaged my scalp. I added this also to the ends of my hair as well. I let that sit with a little bit of the fenugreek oil on my edges as well, along with the Jamaican black castor oil. I let that sit on my hair for about 30 minutes and then I rinsed that out, and in the shower I added my leave-in. Let me go and show you guys what leave-in I used. And my hair was pretty moisturized after I deep conditioned it, but I wanted to go in and add a little additional moisture because of the cold temperatures outside. I used the Talia Wajid Shea Cocoa Curl Souffle. That's what I used. And I did this in the shower. I already have a video on this technique. I will try to remember to link it in the cards for you guys out there. And now I'm on to the next process. Now I've already done my edges. I've added my Eco Styler gel to my edges and I've already done that. My hair is pretty defined already as it is, so yeah, but I want to just add a little bit of more definition, a little bit more hold. So we're going to go in with the mousse. And the mousse that I'm using is the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk Curl Activating Mousse. Now, I have a review on this entire line. I'll try to link that in the cards as well. If not, it'll be linked down below. And I have used this mousse, but only just to for my flyaways when I have my protective styles, and then I just tie it up with a scarf. I haven't used it for a wash and go, so we're going to see how it works. It says it has a soft, touchable hold. It's 2 out of 5, so we'll see. Now with the mousses, you know you got to shake it up, and a little goes a long way, so I'm going to start with a little bit, and I'm just going to do this all over my hair. I'm not going to do it in sections, only because I don't want to make my hair crunchy. Now I'm sorry if you hear noise in the background. The entire family is home. So, but I gotta do that anyway. I'm just gonna go in. I usually start on one side with the mousse, and then I go in with the mousse on the other side. I just really want to add more definition to the length of my hair, the ends of my hair. So that's why I'm going in with this. And I did test these products out before I went to use them. So I did test my leave-in and my mousse. What I did was I took a dab of this, I put it in the palm of my hands, then I took a little bit of this, put it in the palm of my hands, and I mixed. If you get clumping or it doesn't mix well, it's not dissolving well together, then that means that the products do not work well together. But I didn't have that problem, so I was thankful of that. And I'm going to just take my clip, just add some more into the middle of my hair. The middle tends to be frizzy and at times can be dry, so I always add more products to the middle portions of my hair. Like so. Now, as far as how I'm going to wear my hair today, or with this wash and go, I'm not quite sure. I think I'm just going to do no part. No part. Now I'm going to take my, this is something I've been doing lately. I take my detangling brush and I just kind of go through the ends a little bit. Buff it out, stretch it out. That's what I've done with my hair recently. Now, I also like to, especially down in the back section here, I like to make sure that I take that detangling brush to that area down here. Now that I've done that, I have no part at this moment. I'm okay with that. I don't want a part at this moment. I'm not adding any headbands or anything like that because I've been trying to do that less. So I have a little bit here. You can just see a little area of frizz right in the front. So I'm just going to take that. Let's do the front. And that's what I've got going on. I'm going to let this air dry for a little while, and then I will go in and I will and I will also stretch, which I've shown you before. So we'll see the final results. Let me know down below what you think, if this is going to turn out good or bad. Well, we'll see, but I'll be back in a little while. Guys, these are pretty much my final results. My hair is about 90% dry. I just have some still wet spots here in the back, but this is what my hair looks like. It gave me a very light hold, which I'm actually kind of feeling. It gave me a light hold. Definitely gave me a little more stretch than usual, so I like that as well. I didn't get as much shrinkage, and it's very soft and it's fluffy. I like it. It has a mix of definition as well as a little frizz, which I like as well because the frizz gives me a little bit of volume. But yeah, this is the final results. Would I do it again? Actually, I would do it again. Actually, I really would, because it has a lot of movement and it just really feels good. And my hair is super moisturized. And I think that also has to do with the routine that I did using the oils along with the deep conditioner. And when I went to rinse that out, my hair was super soft and moisturize, especially down at the ends, because of the oils that I used. So yeah, I like this. I would definitely use this again in my hair for a wash and go. I like the results, and I wonder how many days I'm gonna get with this. Probably, today is Monday. You'll be seeing this video on Wednesday, but I did this wash and go on a Monday. Probably by Friday I'm going to need to co-wash and refresh and do over, but that's okay. I love the results. So if you guys have any questions or comments about this mousse, let me know. I will definitely answer any questions that you have in the comment section below. Also, if you want me to do wash and goes with other types of mousses and curl creams instead of gels, just to give you guys a little perspective of what a wash and go would look like without using a gel, let me know. I will definitely do that as well, because I want to give you a variety of different ideas of how a wash and go would look with different types of products, so that you can make an informed decision for yourself whether this particular product or this type of product is something that you could use in your own hair and for your own wash and goes. I want to be able to try some brands that you guys may be a little bit shy about trying. I will definitely, try those brands for you and let you know, give you the real deal, because I'm about finding products that work and not spending a whole lot of money. So let me know down below, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye, MVPs. Hi guys, I wanted to come on quickly and give you day 2 results. I want to give you my honest opinion of this Curl Talk mousse. I liked it on the first day. Second day hair is a total fail. It's very, very frizzy, no definition. It's drier. I had to go in and moisturize my hair. I add water as well as my I had to add some more of the Talia Wajid Curl Souffle to my hair for moisture, as well as a little bit of oil. And yeah, there's no definition. So in conclusion, to be very honest with you, this Curl Talk mousse, not necessarily a go for me for my wash and go. Made my hair dry. It didn't give me hold or definition that I really wanted beyond the first day. I really had to kind of restyle my wash and go, and this is what it's looking like. It's really not even up to par, so I'm going to have to probably co-wash and start again. Fail, fail, fail. But yes, this is what it's looking like. And yeah, I wanted to come on and give you the real deal. I want to show you the positives and the negatives. This doesn't necessarily mean that the whole entire Not Your Mother's Curl Talk line is terrible. No, I love the other products in the line. I love the shampoo and the conditioner, the 3-in-1 conditioner. I really like that a lot. I do like the regular gel. Let me show you. The Frizz Controls Curl Sculpting Gel. I really like that. It gives me a nice light hold. And it does last longer than the mousse does. I'm just really not feeling the mousse. The mousse is really good to lay down flyaways if you have a bun, a ponytail, if you have like braids and you any sort of protective style, and you kind of want to lay down those frizzy pieces or those flyaways and then tie the hair up with a scarf. You can do that. So yeah, the mousse is good for that, but for a full-on wash and go, it is a no-go, girlfriend. I'm gonna be very real with you. I liked it in the beginning, but beyond day one, no. I even knew at the end of the night, when I went to go tie my hair up, that it was not going to look well or do well for day 2. I tried to, you know, add a little extra moisture and some more definition to it before I went to bed and before I tied it up, but it still didn't work. I tried. So yeah, this is what it's looking like. Frizzy, you know, and you know I like frizz, but this is a little bit beyond measure for me. So I will not be using this mousse again for a wash and go at all. I won't use it for a twist out. I wouldn't use it for a braid out. I would just use it to, you know, just get rid of the flyaways when I protective style, when I do any sort of buns or ponytails, anything of that nature. Yep, but that's about it. I just wanted to come on and give you that little tidbit. If you have any more questions, comments, any products you want me to try, lines, specific products, let me know in the comment section below, and I will talk to you guys next time. Click like and subscribe. Bye guys.